Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Daniel Putra. In here I will presentation about customer behavior. Table of content. The first is consumer as individual. Consumer as individual is to purchase goods and services to be used by other family members or to be used by the entire family. An individual consumer may also purchase goods and services for a friend, sibling, or other gift. In this context, the goods and services purchased and then used directly by the individual are often referred to as the ultimate wearer or the ultimate consumer. And the second is factor affecting consumer behavior. First, cultural factor. Consumer behavior is strongly influenced by cultural factors such as consumer culture, subculture, and social class. Culture is of everyone deciding on the purchase of goods. Cultural impact on changing behavior varies from country to country, so the seller must be very careful in cultural analysis of various groups, areas, or even countries. And the second is social factor. Social factor also influence consumer purchase behavior. Examples of social factor are reference groups, families, roles, and status. Reference groups have the potential for shaping individual attitudes or behavior. The impact of reference group varies throughout product and brand. Reference groups also include the leader in opinion information. The behavior of the buyer is also strongly influenced by the family members and the roles and status the buyer has. The third is personal factor. Personal factor can also affect customer behavior. Some important factors that influence personal purchase behavior are lifestyle, economic status, work, age, personality, and self-esteem. And the last is psychological factor. There are four major psychological factors affecting consumer purchase behavior. They are perception, motivation, learning, confidence, and attitude. Everyone has different needs such as physiological needs, biological needs, social needs, and etc. The terms are some more urgent, while others are less urgent. Therefore, needs become motive when it is most urgent to lead an individual to seek satisfaction. And the third is consumer behavior research approach. There are several theoretical approaches that can be used to study and understand consumer behavior concepts. Among them is economic theory as well as psychological theories that includes religion theories, motivational theories, sociological and anthropological theories. The fourth is use of consumer behavior. The use of consumer behavior played a major role in marketing. This use of consumer behavior may help, for example, business manager and sellers. Number one, consumer behavior for business manager. It is important for companies to consider what the consumer likes so that they can provide appropriate goods and service. More careful analysis help in predicting the more precise consumer behavior of any product or service. And number two, consumer behavior is in sales. It is important for sellers or sellers to study consumer behavior. It also important for them to know the customer as individual or groups that choose buy or use product and service. Also how they share their experience to satisfy their wants or needs. And the last material is the role of consumer behavior in marketing. Marketer need to understand consumer purchase behavior in order to make their product work. It is important for marketer to understand what drives consumer to buy certain product and what stops them from buying, and how the consumer is affected by their immediate environment, family, family members, friends, and etc. Figuring out what they are really looking for. Ideally, there are two different studies that allow marketers to understand their customer. Thank you for your attention, and thank you for watching my video. Thank you so much. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.